Hi, good morning. Welcome back to your English activity class. How are you all? I wish my kiddos to stay safe and healthy. Okay, and I know you people are very intelligent. You're very smart. You will be staying at home and not moving outside because there are two reasons. The first one is coronavirus, and the second one is the extreme heat conditions these days. So, for this, to prevent yourself, stay at home from these two problems and drink as much water as you can to keep your body hydrated. Okay. So now, today let us come to the today's activity. Today's activity is making comic strip. Okay, that is making comic strip. So this comic strip is an activity where we express our imaginations or our views or any event through cartoon characters, okay, in a sequence of events. So you might have seen the comics, or you might have read the comics of different characters, cartoon characters also. Like Chhota Bheem's comics are there available in the market. There are comic strips of the comics of Spider-Man also in the market, the Batman, etc. Okay, so today you are going to create your own comic strip. Isn't it exciting? Definitely we would be enjoying it. So for making the comic strip, what we need is, the first thing we need is again the sheets. As I said, it's not compulsory that you would be using only the colored sheets. You can use any simple plain white sheet. Even you can use your drawing file sheets also. Okay. As I don't have those white sheets, that's why I'm using these color sheets. So the color sheets is the important part where you would be drawing your cartoon, the comic strip. The second important thing is the stationery. The most important thing, the stationery that you will be using to draw and margins and draw the comic. Then the things you would be requiring would be the color pens or sketches or whatever is available with you, okay, to write down those or you color your comic strip. So let us start up with our activity. So I have taken a white sheet, you see, a light shade sheet, because I would be coloring up the comic strip. So I have taken a light shade sheet. So first of all, before starting the comic strip, first of all we are going to draw up margins. As I think your art teacher also might have told you about this. When you draw margins, your work looks very neat and clean and systematic. So I have already drawn the margins here on the border side. You can use scale and pencil to draw the margin. This way we are going to draw the margin, and then later on, before penning down anything on the sheet, you have to create your idea. You have to pen it down somewhere in your rough, or make a brief note of that. What are you going to present in the comic strip? For example, if you're making a comic strip of any birthday party, any funny event happened at the birthday party, so you have to think that how many scenes you are going to present, okay, how many portions you are going to, how many dialogues you are going to write. According to that, you have to divide your page into those columns. As we are going to start up with the at the primary level, so what we would be doing is, we would be drawing only 4-5 columns, not more than that. So try to think or imagine of a situation or any event which can be written down or can be explained up into 5 steps. Okay. For example, here I have already prepared a comic, a strip. I have taken it in a portrait size. You can take it in the landscape form also. I have taken it in the portrait form. You can take it in the landscape form also. So see here, if you can see in here in this, I have given a funny name to my characters and the name of the comic strip. So here my name I have given Eggy and Pizzy. Aren't they funny? Yeah. Because can you see my characters closely? Can you see my characters? One character is in the shape of pizza piece and the second one is in the shape oval shape. So I've given him a name of Eggy and Pizzy. Okay. You can also think of such funny names for them, and even you can use funny shapes, because I'm not that good at drawing. So I've used these shapes, a shortcut method to make a easy comic strip. I know you people are very good at drawing and you can draw much better than me, so you can draw more beautifully. Even you can draw more other such creatures or characters also to make your comic strip interesting. So now see here, I have thought of saving trees or saving, not letting people cutting down the trees. So I had an idea in my mind that I'll make my comic strip on saving trees. So for penning down my idea, I had used this sheet in A4 size sheet. So first of all, I'll explain you how to make the strip, comic strip. So first you will draw the margin, and then you will decide what you have to pen down, what you have to draw, or what you have to present in the comic strip. And then later on, you're going to decide in how many columns you're going to present it. So as I said, it's an initial stage, so we are going to start off with only 3, 4, 5 or 6 columns, not more than that. Okay, so first of all, you'll be dividing this. You'll be keeping one approximately 2 to 3 centimeters, like you can measure up with a scale length, and you will keep this particular portion for writing down the name, the heading of the comic strip, whatever the name you give it. Okay, just try to give it a very funky name, a very funny and interesting name. So here I have drawn this, and then you will divide this whole area into different parts. Okay, so as I have done in mine, I have divided my comic strip into 5 columns. So can you see this? First column, second column, third bigger column, fourth and fifth again short column. Okay, so my whole idea of my story is there in third, fourth, fifth column only. Okay, so now let's have a very close look at my comic strip. So the first column talks about like 2 friends are there and they meet each other and they say hello. So I have used these shapes. Can you see the shape and find it out what shape it is? It's the shape of a pizza. So I have given him a name, Pizzy. And then this shape is somewhat oval shape, and I have given him the name of Eggy. So, and I have given the name, my comic strip, the name Eggy and Pizzy. Okay, so Eggy sees Pizzy one day and he says that, hi Eggy, hi Pizzy. They say hello to each other. And in the second column, he's asking, where are you going? So he sees something in his hand and he says, where are you going? So what did Pizzy reply? Pizzy replied that, I'm going to cut down the tree in my garden. Cutting down the tree in my garden. Oh. Hearing this, Eggy became sad. He was surprised and he said that, but don't you know that cutting down trees will increase the level of pollution of the environment? And definitely, and it's very harmful for us also. Then he said that, but that tree causes, what did Pizzy reply? Pizzy replied that, but that tree causes a lot of mess, trouble to me, and it leaves shed and it causes a lot of trouble, a lot of mess in my garden. It makes my garden very untidy, and I'm fed up of this mess now, cleaning the garden every day. So what did Eggy reply on this? He said that, but that tree gives shelter to so many birds, gives you shade, oxygen, and even enhances the beauty of your garden. Okay? Hearing this, what did Pizzy say? He realizes that he was doing wrong. So he replies here, oh, I forgot about this. Thanks, Eggy, to remind me. Now I'm not going to cut that tree, and even I'm going to plant some more trees. So here what did Pizzy say? He said that he's going to plant some more trees now. He is not going to cut that tree. Besides that, he's going to plant more trees. And at the end, what did Eggy say? He says that, that's good idea. We must save trees as they are very useful, isn't it? So here was my comic strip. I had just made a rough draft of it, and I have made it used only a pencil work. I have done only the pencil work. I'll be using colors later on, and you people can also color the creatures and use the pen or marker to write down these writing parts, the black pen or the blue pen, and you can use colors to color this particular boxes into different colors so that the boxes are very clear to you. Here it's not that clear because I've used a pencil mark, so you can either use markers or darken up the between lines so that your comic strip looks very clear. The things are very clear to you. See here, now can you see the difference? Both the boxes are very differentiated, isn't it? So now I hope you would be making up some comic strips like this. The funny strips that you have with you, the funny events, the memories, or any issue you want to talk about through your comic strip, you can. Okay. And then one more thing, I'll be waiting for the day when you'll be posting me your comic strip on Google Classroom. Plus, I'll be even waiting for the day when one day you would be not making a single page comic strip, you will be making a whole book of comics, because you are much more superior than me. I know, I believe you. You are far more artistic than me, and you'll be making much beautiful and creative comic strips than me. So, till then, I would request everyone, and I hope that everybody makes the comic strip and enjoy your holidays, and stay safe with your family and stay happy. Till then, bye bye.